Here is how you can disable text messages on the iPad. Let me get started with it, and if you are new here and the first time on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So obviously more ways how we can go about it. The first step would be to hold down on the message and kind of like hide it away from the home screen. Make sure you don't see it, even though it's obviously not going to disable it, but at least it puts it away from the site. But for anything deeper than that, open up the settings app where you can go to the apps at the bottom, and part of the list we can see the messages, so you can look it up like this. And the iPad naturally doesn't really support the SIM cards. It's not like the iPhone. Obviously there are iPads with the cellular capability, but most iPads, when they receive a message, they receive it over iMessage. So this is the place where you can turn it off. It's the Apple's over the internet messages service, so you can turn it off right here, and you're not gonna get any more blue bubbles notifications or a text from anybody. So that's something which you can definitely disable and stop using altogether. But then what you can do is also on your iPhone, if you have one and use with the same Apple account, there is the ability to forward text messages, the regular SMS messages from the iPhone, and make them show up on the iPad. And this can be turned off, but you have to grab the iPhone and similarly go to the settings, apps, and messages, and there is the text message forwarding. So if you have multiple devices available, you'll have the ability to disable it for just the iPad or keep it turned on for a Mac computer if you have one in your system. So this is going to give you more options on how you can control the messages and how you can stop them from appearing on the iPad. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know if you managed to make it work on your device. Hit the thumbs up, and I will hopefully see you in the next videos too.